Hello, everyone. This is me, Mom Shawie Vlog, together with Becky. So, guys, another unboxing. It's unboxing time. So, guys, I have ordered, um, I have ordered a set of, so it's still sealed, guys, and then it's in the box. It is being put on the bag. So I have here USB-C 20 watts power adapter, USB-C to lightning cable. So guys, I have ordered sets of charger and cable for my Apple phone. So set an adapter and a cable. And another, I just ordered the cable because when I'm in work, uh, I see to it because I have already my MacBook and it is also befitted on my iPhone. I just ordered a set of this one because when I am going to work, I'm on duty, I make sure that I also have another set of a charger for blogging or for daily usage, for daily use. So I just ordered this, guys, from this store and this store. So thank you very much, dear seller, for this. You gave me what I am. You gave me more. You gave more of my expectation. So thank you very much. I think it's very legit, and we can. I will. I'm going to check after this vlog. I'm going to check if this really, I'm pretty sure that it's genuine. It's very. I think it's worthy of its price. So again, shout out to our dear seller for this genuine charger, adapter, and charger. So flexing again, set of charger, and then just the cable of the charger. So thank you very much, dear seller. Thank you very much for being true to your client. So thank you very much, and God bless po, mabuhay. Keep up the good work. Thank you.